Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn what is CT, what is CT burden, what does it include, how is CT burden measured, what is a CT, a current transformer or CT is a device used to measure large currents in power systems by stepping them down to a small, measurable value like 5 amps or 1 amp for meters and relays. So, the primary winding carries high current and the secondary winding connects to measuring instruments or protection devices. What is CT burden? Now, when we connect instruments like ammeters, relays, or meters to the CT's secondary side, these devices form a load on the CT. This load is called the CT burden. In simple words, CT burden means the total load connected to the secondary winding of a CT. What does it include? The total CT burden includes the resistance of the measuring instruments, the resistance of the connecting wires, and any contact resistance in the circuit. All these together form the total burden, seen by the CT secondary. How is CT burden measured? CT burden can be expressed in two ways. 1. In ohms representing the total impedance on the secondary circuit. 2. In volt-ampere, which is the power the CT needs to supply to drive the current through the burden. Formula: burden VA is equal to I square RB. Why is CT burden important? CT burden is very important because if the burden is too high, the CT will not maintain accuracy. The core may saturate, causing measurement and protection errors. For protection CTs, too much burden can delay relay operation. So, always make sure the actual burden is less than or equal to the rated burden of the CT. Typical burden ratings. Here's a quick table. CT class rated burden, VA, accuracy. Class 0.25 VA plus or minus 0.2%. Class 0.510 VA plus or minus 0.5%. Class 1.015 VA plus or minus 1.0%. Class 3.030 VA plus or minus 3.0%.